Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming connectivity and power because interrupted updates brick devices. First, plug the Android TV box into Ethernet or a reliable Wi-Fi network. Wired is preferred for speed and stability. Next, keep the box powered. Don't reboot mid-update. If possible, use a UPS. Then navigate to Settings and check About to note the current build number. This helps verify the update applied correctly once complete. Once done, you're ready to fetch the new firmware from the System menu. Now you proceed to download and install. From Settings, go to System, then Software Update, and tap Check for Updates now. The box reaches the server and lists available firmware. Start download and monitor the percentage and estimated time so you know when it completes. Make sure you do not interrupt power or network during transfer and installation because the updater writes system partitions. When the download finishes, confirm the install prompt and the device will reboot automatically to apply the update. So finish by verifying the update took effect and testing core functions. After the automatic reboot, return to Settings About to confirm the new build number and then open key apps and streaming to ensure playback and apps work. If the box won't boot or is stuck, power down, enter recovery, and try a factory reset as a last resort. Remember, backups are essential. If install failed repeatedly, download the official firmware to a USB and perform USB recovery, according to Etisalat instructions to restore the system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.